Hi guys! So I'm about to head downstairs. The vlog is uploading from yesterday. Yeah? I'm coming! I think the car seat might be here. I think that's why Josh is yelling to me. So let's go see. I'm going to take you with me. Excuse the messy room. The car seat's here and Daisy's brat. Did you already take it out of the box?
No, it came like this. Box is over there. Did I already take it out of the box? Ask another obvious question.
Bailey, your car seat's here.
Big girl car seat. Oh, look at that. Good girl.
Is that your car seat?
I've never seen that thing before in my life.
You want teeth? Ooh, hello. Holding that for a minute. Hold on. Hold on. So I kind of forgot to vlog, but all we did really was go to Walmart. Picked up some Nisubi cups for Bailey and a makeup sponge for myself. We came back here and just relaxed a bit, and Bailey took a late nap. Y'all more? This kid loves cheese. This is a very awkward position to hold the camera in. There we go. You got cheese? You gotta give me a sec. Here. I'm gonna put the camera down, okay? Okay. What are you doing? You telling stories? Yeah. What are you doing? You got a clicker? Lady, what are you doing? What are you doing? Are you reading? Daisy, go. 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 Stop. What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah, yeah, yeah. You dance? Dance, 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 dance. So with that, I am going to wrap the vlog. I don't think it's going to be very long, but I got couple of cute clips. Yes. And you got to see Bailey's new car seat. You say bye-bye? I don't think that's bye-bye. That's my phone. Hey, you thief. You say bye. Say bye-bye. Oh, thank you. Say bye-bye. Good night, guys.